Cold email tools are exploding in this time, and with so many choices out there, it's hard to know which one is actually the best. Four names that stand out are Smartlead, Instantly AI, Lemlist, and the Apollo. Each one has its own strength, weakness, and the target audience. So let's break down how they compare and which one is right for you. Now let's start with the Smartlead first. This tool has been gaining the massive popularity because of its scalability. If you are running multiple domain or need a high value of email every single day, then Smartlead make it possible without burning your sender reputation. Deliverability is their biggest selling point. They also make inbox rotation really simple, which is a lifesaver if you are serious about cold outreach. For agencies and bigger teams, Smartlead has become the weapon of choice. Then we have the Instantly. If Smartlead is the heavy hitter for scale, Instantly is the perfect tool for solopreneurs or small teams who just want something simple but powerful. The interface is clean, automations are straightforward, and it focuses on making your life easy. You don't need to be a technical wizard to start sending campaign, and it balances the good deliverability and the simplicity. Now let's talk about the Lemlist. Lemlist used to be the darling of cold email because of its personalization feature. This is like adding the custom images, GIF format photos and videos inside email made outreach fun and unique. But here is the reality in present time. While Lemlist still has a great personalization tool, its pricing feels steep compared to what Smartlead and the Instantly are offering. For many businesses, the ROI just doesn't justify sticking with the Lemlist unless you absolutely need those visual personalization features. Now finally, let's move to the Apollo. Apollo is not just a cold email tool, it's more like an all-in-one sales platform. You get not only outreach capabilities but also a massive database of contacts, in-reach data, and sales engagement feature. It's like combining LinkedIn Sales Navigator with a cold email tool. So what is the catch? It's not the easiest to set up, and if you are only looking for simple cold email campaign, Apollo might feel like overkill. But for sales teams who want everything in one ecosystem, Apollo is a beast. So what's the final verdict? If you are an agency or need high volume sending with strong deliverability, then Smartlead is your best bet. But if you are a solo operator or a small team that just wants simple, effective cold email campaign, then Instantly is hard to beat. Lemlist still has a place for people who want creative personalization, but it's no longer the most cost-effective option. And if you want not just email but also data, contacts, and full sales engagement feature, Apple stands out as the all-in-one solution. At the end of this video, the best cold email tool in this time depends on your specific needs. Do you want scale, simplicity, creativity, or an entire sales ecosystem? Answer that and your choice will become clear. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next one.